Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add list on Wix. Let's begin. Now the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a list to your Wix website is a great way to present information clearly and concisely. You can create lists in various formats such as bullet points, number lists, or checklists. Now once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, click on Sites because that would open the Wix editor. Once you've done that, you would hover to the interface wherein there's going to be a plus button on the left side panel. Click on Add Elements and there's going to be an option that says List right here. You have a lot of options from here, all right? You can have like a hover repeaters, blank repeaters, and a lot more, all right? So on the list, let me just click on the option right here. You can drag this anywhere on the button, all right? And you can format this list right here to your preferences. You can add again to the list, wherein, for example, this is going to be the list that you wanted. You can simply click that and modify all of the images right here. You can change the background, change the text and image, and of course, you can simply do add another list until your heart's content. All right, so you have all of these information for you. For example, this one right here. Okay, because doing so, you can simply create, organize, and visually appealing lists that enhance the readability and usability of your site. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.